Hello everyone, welcome to Vidhyan classes. In this video, we will be solving quantitative analysis section of Karnataka MBA PGCET 2015 question paper. If you liked our previous sessions, then kindly like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. So let us start now. Which of the following is the highest? 12 square plus 9 square. 12 square is 144. 9 square is 81. So 144 plus 81, it is 225. 13 square plus 8 square, which is 169 plus 64, that is equals to 233. 14 square 196. 7 square 49, so the sum is equals to 245. 15 square 225. 6 square is 36, so the sum is equals to 261. So which is highest? 15 square plus 6 square. A line is drawn from the top left corner to the bottom right corner of a rectangle ABCD, making it into two triangles, area 1 and 2. So there is a rectangle. Okay, so there is a rectangle. Let's suppose that this is, okay, let us take, this is L, this is B. Okay, length and breadth. So this is breadth, this is L. When a line is drawn from the top left corner to the bottom right corner of a rectangle, so you will get two triangles, right? That is 1 and 2. Now what is the area of these two triangles will be? See, just see the length, both are equal. Okay, this L and L is equal, B and B is equal, right? So that means they are similar triangles, or you can say they are equal triangles. Okay, so therefore what will be the area of these two triangles? The area of these two triangles will be equal. Area of these two triangles will be equal. Okay, so therefore answer is option C, area 1 is equals to area 2. A person who has a certain amount with him goes to the market. He can buy 50 oranges or 40 mangoes. He retains 10% of the amount for taxi fare and buys 20 mangoes, and of the balance he purchases oranges. The number of oranges he can purchase is, see, a person is having certain amount, you don't know how much the person has, but by that money he can buy 50 oranges. Okay, by that money he can buy 50 oranges or 40 mangoes. That is, the price of 50 oranges and the 40 mangoes are equal. Okay, either he can buy 50 oranges or 40 mangoes. Okay, so what we will do, let us first assume the sum. Okay, let us first assume an amount. So how to assume the amount? So assume the amount such that the number should be divisible by 50 also, the number should be divisible by 40 also. Okay, assume such a number. So which is that number? That is LCM of 50 and 40 is how much? 200. So we will take that a person has 200 rupees. Okay, by this 200 rupees he can buy 50 oranges, which means cost price of one orange will be how much? Cost price of one orange will be 20 divided by 50, that is 4 rupees. Clear? Or by this 200 rupees he can buy 40 mangoes. Therefore cost price of one mango will be how much? Cost price of one mango is 200 by 40, which is 5 rupees. Now he retains 10% of the amount for taxi fare. Out of this 200, he retains 10% of the amount. 10% of 200 is 20, correct? 10% of 200 is 20, so 20 is kept for taxi. Remaining is how much? Remaining is 180 rupees. And buys 20 mangoes. He retains 10% of the amount for taxi fare and buys 20 mangoes. 20 mangoes. See, one mango will cost 5 rupees. Therefore, 20 mangoes will be costing him how much? 5 into 20, that is 100 rupees. So in this 180 rupees, he spent 100 rupees for mangoes. He spent 100 rupees for mangoes. Now what is the remaining amount? Remaining amount is 80 rupees. So, and of the balance, he purchases oranges. With this 80 rupees, he purchases oranges, and you have to find the number of oranges he can purchase. Number of oranges he can purchase. So he has 80 rupees total. He has 80 rupees. Cost price of one orange is 4 rupees. So how many oranges he can buy? So 80 divided by 4, he can buy 20 oranges. Okay, he can buy 20 oranges. Next question. Which one of the following cannot be the ratio of angles in right angle triangle? Cannot be the ratio of angles in right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, okay, there's a right angle triangle. So you know one property that this angle is 90 degree. Okay, in right angle triangle, one of the angle is how much? One of the angle should be equals to 90 degree. And you know that sum of all the three angles must be equals to how much? 180 degree. Sum of all the three angles, sum of all the three angles in a triangle should be equals to 180 degree, and one of the angles should be 90 degree in a right angle triangle. Now, which one cannot be the ratio they are asking here? 1 is to 2 is to 3. Means let us take that one of the angle is 1x, other angle is 2x, and another angle is 3x. Sum of all the angles must be equals to how much? 180 degree. So 3x plus 2x plus x, which is 6x, is equals to 180 degree. Therefore x is equals to 30 degree. If x is equals to 30 degree, 3x value, that is 3x will become how much? 3x is equals to 90 degrees. So you will get, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle. 1 is to 2 is to 3 is a right angle triangle, because one of the triangles you should get as how much? 90 degree. Check for the second one. 2 is to 3 is to 5, that is 2x plus 3x plus 5x must be equals to how much? 180 degree. So 10x is equals to 180 degree. X is equals to how much? 18 degree. Now what is 5x value? 5x is 5 into 18, that is 90 degree. So this is also a right angle triangle. Now 1 is to 3 is to 6. So x plus 3x plus 6x is equals to 180 degree. Again 10x is equals to 180 degree. X is equals to 18. But ratio is what? 1 is to 2 is to 3. That means 3x means 18 3 is a 54. Right? 1 is to 3 is to 6. Sorry. It is 1 is to 3 is to 6, right? 1 is to 3 is to 6. So 1x means 18 degree, 3x means 54 degree, 6x means 108 degree. So you don't get an angle which is 90 degree. So this is the ratio that cannot form a right angle triangle. 1397 into 1397. Okay, so you can either do it by your traditional method, or let us see this number like this, that is 1397 is nothing but 1400 minus 3, correct? And again into 1400 minus 3. So this becomes what? 1400 minus 3 the whole square. You know the formula, a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square means 1400 square. You know what is 14 square? 14 square is how much? 196. So there are two zeros. When you square it, it will become 4 zeros. So 1400 the whole square will become how much? 196, 4 zeros. And then minus 2ab, that is minus 2 times of this. So this will be how much? 14 3 is a 42. 14 3 is a 42. 42 into 2, 84. And 84 into 2 zeros, you will get 8400. Minus 2ab value. 2ab value will become how much? 8400. See, just multiply 14 3 is a 42, you know. 42 into 2 is 84, and there is 2 zeros. So it becomes 8400. So you have to subtract, right? A square minus 2ab. So if you subtract 8400 from this, 0, 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 8 is 1, 5, 9, 1. Then plus b square you have to do. B square is how much? 9. So 3 square is 9. So what is the answer you will get? 1951609. That is option A is the correct answer. Rajdhani Express leaves Mumbai towards Delhi at 3:10 p.m. and travels uniformly at 120 km per hour. August Kranti Express leaves Delhi towards Mumbai at 12:20 p.m. and travels uniformly at 80 km per hour. Both the trains cross at Baroda at 4:30 p.m. On a particular day, Rajdhani Express leaves at 3:20 p.m. So when will the two trains cross? So in this question, let us see how to solve this thing. So first it is given that Rajdhani Express leaves Mumbai towards Delhi. Okay, let us suppose that It is leaving from Mumbai towards Delhi. So this is Mumbai, this is Delhi. Okay. So it is leaving at 3:10 p.m. Rajdhani Express is leaving at 3:10 p.m. from Mumbai, and its speed is how much? The speed of the train is 120 km per hour. So this is Rajdhani Express. Then at 12:20 p.m. August Kranti Express leaves from Delhi towards Mumbai. And what is the speed of this train? The speed of this train is 80 km per hour. Now both the trains will meet, or they cross each other at Baroda, they are saying. Okay, these two trains will meet or cross at Baroda at what time? At 4:30 p.m. At 4:30 p.m. Okay, now the question asked here is, on a particular day, if Rajdhani Express leaves at 3:20 p.m., then when will the two trains cross? Okay, so here it doesn't mean that just because it is 10 minutes late, they will be meeting 10 minutes later. No, that is, here they are meeting at 4:30. So just because Rajdhani Express left 10 minutes late, it doesn't mean that they are going to meet at 4:40. No, because in this case, both the trains are traveling towards each other, right? So there comes the relative speed concept. So you should apply this concept and you have to find the answer. So first let us understand how to solve this kind of a problem. Now, see, Rajdhani Express is leaving at 3:10 p.m. and it is meeting August Kranti Express at 4:30 p.m. For how much time did this train travel? Before it met August Kranti Express, for how much time did Rajdhani Express travel? So it left at 3:10, it met at 4:30. So 3:10 to 4:30, the time it traveled here is 1 hour 20 minutes. Correct? So time traveled here is how much? 1 hour 20 minutes. Therefore, what is the distance covered by this train? Distance is nothing but speed into time. Distance is speed into time. You know the speed of the train is 120 km per hour. Correct? Time taken 1 hour 20 minutes. Convert this 20 minutes into hours. That is 20 upon 60, which is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3, if you convert it into proper fraction, 3 ones are 3 plus 1. 4 by 3 hours you will get. So 4 by 3 hours means how much? 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, 40 into 4, 160 km is the distance traveled by Rajdhani Express. So that means the distance from Mumbai to Baroda, here it is how much? 160 km. Now do the same with the August Kranti Express here. So again here find the distance traveled by August Kranti Express, speed into time. Speed is how much? 80. Time it traveled, it left at 12:20 and it met at 4:30. So 12:20 to 4:30, what is the time it traveled? 120, 220, 320, 420, 4 hours 10 minutes. 4 hours 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, if you want to convert it into hours, 10 upon 60, which is 1 by 6. 4 1 by 6 means how much? 25 upon 6. So 80 into 25 by 6. 80 into 25 upon 6. 25 upon 6, that means 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 25 into 40 is 1000 upon 3. So the distance from Delhi to Baroda is 1000 by 3 kilometer. 1000 by 3 kilometer. Okay. Now what they told? Rajdhani Express is leaving at 3:20 p.m. Now at what time these two trains will cross each other? August Kranti Express is leaving at same time. Correct? So when you have to apply relative speed concept, then both the trains should travel from the same time. Okay, both the trains should be traveling. Okay, if two bodies are moving, then only you can apply the relative speed concept. So here in this case, August Kranti Express is leaving early, right? So at 12:20 p.m. August Kranti Express has left. At that time only August Kranti Express was traveling. Mumbai, that is Rajdhani Express, have not started. It started at what time? It will be starting at 3:20 p.m. only. But until 3:20 p.m. August Kranti Express will be traveling from Delhi to Mumbai. correct? So from 12:20 to 3:20, which is 3 hours. So for 3 hours August Kranti Express will be traveling alone. So in this 3 hours, what is the distance? In this 3 hours, what is the distance covered by August Kranti Express? So distance covered by August Kranti Express in this 3 hours will be speed into time, that is 80 into 3, 240 kilometers. 240 kilometers. Okay, so what is this 240 kilometers? It is the distance covered by August Kranti Express. Okay, distance covered by August Kranti Express in 3 hours. What is the total distance from Mumbai to Delhi? Total distance from Mumbai to Delhi here is 160 kilometer plus 1000 by 3 kilometer. That is how much? 160 plus 1000 by 3. If you multiply by 3, 116 into 3 is 448. 480 by 3 plus 1000 by 3, which is 1480 by 3. 1480 by 3 is the total distance. Okay, that is from Mumbai to Delhi. Out of this total distance, 240 kilometer is covered by August Kranti Express. So if you subtract this, then you will get the remaining distance, right? So 1480 upon 3 minus 240. If you do, so that is again multiply by 3, 4 to the numerator and denominator. How much you will get? 24 3s are 72. So that is 720 by 3 you will get. So 1480 minus 720 upon 3, 8 minus 2 is 6, 760 by 3. The remaining distance is 760 by 3. 760 by 3. Now what happens? This remaining distance at this time, here the time is 3:20 and here also the time is 3:20. Now both the trains are traveling towards each other. Got it? But until then only one train traveled, that is August Kranti Express. But now both the trains are traveling. So now you can apply the relative speed concept. So at what time these two trains will cross each other, right? So time taken is what? So you know relative speed concept, that is formula is s1 plus, if they are moving towards opposite direction, then speed will become s1 plus s2 equals to distance upon time. Now what is the speed? 120 and 80. 120 plus 80 is 200 km per hour, correct? Is equals to, distance is already given, 760 upon 3 divided by t. Okay, so therefore time taken will be 760 by 3 into 1 by 200. Okay, so that is how much you will get? 0 0 will get cancelled, 2 10s are 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So then 2 5s are 10, 2 19s are 19 upon 15 you will get 19 by 15. Okay, 19 by 15, I'll write it here, 19 by 15 hours. That is time taken is how much? 19 by 15 hours. 19 by 15 hours means if you convert it into proper hours and minutes, you will get how much? 19 by 15 means it is 4 by 15 hours. Okay, remainder is 4. If you divide 19 by 15, remainder is 4. 4 by 15 hours. 4 by 15 hours means if you multiply by 60, 15 ones are 15 fours are 60, 4 fours are 16, which is 1 hour 16 minutes. Okay, from 3:20 after 1 hour 16 minutes, these two trains will cross each other. From 3:20 after 1 hour 16 minutes, these two trains will cross each other. So 3:20 plus 1 hour 16 minutes. 3:20 plus 1 hour 4:20. 4:20 plus 16 minutes 4:36. 4 hour 36 minutes. At 4:36 p.m. these two trains will cross each other. A sum of money is sufficient to pay A's wages for 18 days and B's wages for 27 days. The money is sufficient to pay the wages of both for. Okay, so here a sum of money, that is a sum of money is sufficient to pay A's wages for 18 days and B's wages for 27 days. So what does this mean? A can complete a work in 18 days, B can complete the same work in 27 days. Got it? So here they told a sum of money, you don't know how much money it is. So what we will do, let us assume the money. Okay, the total money we will assume. How to assume? By taking the LCM of 18 and 27. Okay, so 18 and 27 LCM is 54. So let us assume that 54 is the total sum of money. Okay, and this amount is sufficient for to pay for A in 18 days, for 18 days only. Okay, that means A can complete a work in 18 days. So how much money he will get per day? Per day he will get 3 rupees. Okay, suppose if the money is 54 rupees, A will get 3 rupees per day. Okay, and B will get 2 rupees. 54 by 27, B will get 2 rupees per day because B's efficiency is less. Therefore, he is getting less amount. A's efficiency is more. Therefore, he is getting more amount. Which means, like, suppose A is working for 8 hours and B is working for 6 hours. So, since A worked for 8 hours, he should get more money, and B worked for 6 hours, he should get little less money, right? So that is what it is. So A will get 3 rupees per day, B will get 2 rupees per day. Got it? Now, the money is sufficient to pay the wages of both for. That means, if both of them work together, this amount will be paid for them in how many days? This total amount will be paid for them in how many days? So if both of them work together, total amount to be given to them will be 5 rupees according to their efficiency. 3 rupees plus 2 rupees, 5 rupees will be gone. Correct? So 5 rupees is gone means what? That much amount of work is completed. Now 54 rupees is the total money. So per day, if you are giving 5 rupees, means in how many days this whole amount will be exhausted? That means whole work is completed. So 54 upon 5 if you do, which is how much you get? 5 tens are 50 and 4 is the remainder. 10 4 by 5 days. So in 10 4 by 5 days, the money is sufficient to pay for them. Okay, that means the work will be completed in 10 4 by 5 days, you can say. Option A is the right answer. A single badminton tournament is held in which 20 men participate. It is a knockout tournament. A player is eliminated as soon as he loses a match. So how many matches should be played in the entire tournament? So there are 20 men, right? First 10 games will be played because one person plays against another person, which means 10 games will be played. Got it? Because in each game there are two persons. So in 20 men, first 10 persons will play against another 10 persons, which means 10 games are played. Okay, in this 10 games 10 persons will lose and 10 persons will win. So let us suppose that this 10 persons lost and this 10 persons won. Total games played is how much? See, games played, first 20 men were there, so they will play 10 games first. Correct? So out of this 10 games, 10 persons will be eliminated and 10 persons left. Now the remaining men is how much? 10. So out of this 10 men, how many games will be played now? If one person plays against another person, means 5 games will be played, right? 5 and 5. You have to divide equally. So 5 and 5. 5 persons will play against this 5 persons. So games played is 5. Now again 5 persons will lose and another 5 person will win. So this 5 persons will be eliminated. Now the person left here is 5. Okay, number of men left is 5. Now out of this 5, you cannot get exact half, right? So how much you will get? 2 and 2, 1 will be left like that. Okay, 1 will be in the standby and 2 games will be played against 4 persons. Correct? 4 persons will play 2 games and 1 person will be as a standby. So 2 games are played and in this 2 persons will lose, they will be eliminated and 2 persons will be left and 1 person was there who was kept as standby. So total how many are there now? Total 3 men are left. Total 3 men are left. And again in 3 men, in the 3 men, so how many games will be played? 1 and 1. 2 persons will play, 1 person will be kept as a standby now. Okay, so 1 person will be in the hold, 2 persons will play against each other. So in this 2 persons, 1 person will be eliminated and 1 person will be moved forward. So how many games are played here? 1 game is played. Now how many persons left? 2 persons left. So these 2 persons will play one game and 1 will lose, 1 will win. So 1 game is played. So what is the total number of games played then? 10 plus 5, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. So total number of games played here is 19, option B. Okay, so in this kind of a question, Suppose if the numbers are changed and the question is same, then what you can do, you can just do that number of men minus 1. If you do number of men minus 1, you will get total number of games played. But understand, the question should be same like this, that it should be a knockout game where after a player is eliminated as soon as he loses a match. If this line is there, then whatever the number, let it be, like suppose if it is 30 men, then it will be 30 minus 1, 29 games. If it is 40 men, 40 minus 1, 39 games. Okay, so that's the trick. Otherwise you can use this concept, think like this, and you can able to solve the question easily. Okay, so answer is option B, 19. Two positive integers differ by 4 and the sum of the reciprocals is 10 by 21. One of the number is two positive integers, let x be one integer and y be another integer. They differ by 4, that means the difference of these two numbers is 4. X is the highest number, y is the smallest number. Okay, now the sum of the reciprocals is 10 by 21, that is reciprocal means 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equals to 10 by 21. Got it? Now 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to 10 by 21. X and y LCM will be xy. So here y is left, 1 into y is y plus 1 into x is equals to 10 upon 21. Cross multiply, you will get 21 into y plus x is equals to 10xy. That is 21y plus 21x is equals to 10xy. So you know that x is equals to what? X minus y is equals to 4 means x is equals to 4 plus y. So in place of x, you can replace it by 4 plus y. So this will be 21y plus 21 into 4 plus y is equals to 10 into 4 plus y into y. So 21y plus 21 into 4 is 84 plus 21y is equals to, how much you will get? 4 into y is 4y, 4y plus 10 is 40y plus y into y is y square plus into 10 is 10y square. Okay, so therefore you will get what? 10y square plus 40y, 21y plus 21y, 42y. 42y will come to the left hand side minus 42y. 84 will come to the left hand side minus 84 equals to 0. Okay, I mean right hand side it will equals to 0. So 10y square plus 40y minus 42y plus 40y minus 42y, that is minus 2y minus 84 equals to 0. 2 is common, you will get 5y square minus y minus 42 equals to 0. So by this becomes a quadratic equation. The product you should get 42 into 5. Product you should get how much? Product you should get 210, and on subtracting you should get how much? Minus 1. Find those two numbers. Product you should get 210, on subtracting means here the symbol is minus, right? So on subtracting, how much you should get? Minus y means minus 1 you should get. Which are those two numbers? So the number will be, number is what? 15 into 4, 14. 15 into 14 will be how much? 15 into 14 is 210, right? 15 tens are 150, 15 fours are 60. So it is 210. But you should get minus 1. Minus 1 means what? Product you should get minus 210. Okay, because here it is minus, right? So minus 15 plus 14 will give you minus 210. Similarly, minus 15 and plus 14 will give you how much? Minus 1. Okay, or 14 minus 15 will give you minus 1, correct? So that is what it is. So the numbers are minus 15 and plus 14. Roots will be reverse of this, that is plus 15 and minus 14. Roots will be plus 15 and minus 14, but y cannot take negative value, so y value will be 15 here. Y value will be 15. Okay, so if y value is not 15, so since here it is multiplied by 5, you have to divide it by 5 in the end. So if on dividing by 5 in the end, 15 by 5, y value will be 3 actually. Okay, so the value of y here it is 3. So if y is equals to 3, x is equals to, see, x minus 3 is equals to 4, x is equals to 4 plus 3, x is equals to 7. So x is 7, y is 3. One of the number is here, one of the number is option A, that is 3. Got it? But this is too much lengthy method. Okay, I just explained it to you because this is how you are going to solve this kind of a question, but in the exam this is not required to do. Okay, you don't need to do like this. In such kind of a question, what you do, directly go with the options. Okay, choose the option, go with that. Like, see, here the first option is 3, you will get the first option is 3, right? So that option should satisfy your question here. That is, sum of the reciprocals is 10 by 21. Two positive integers differ by 4. Let's say here one of the number is, they asked, if one number is 3, if one number is 3, another number will be 7, because the difference, how much it should be? Difference should be 4. You cannot, the number cannot be negative because it is a positive integer. So if one number is 3, another number is 7. Just check whether the sum of reciprocal of this number is equals to this. If it is so, then your option is correct. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 7. 7 3 is a 21. So 7 plus 3 you will get, which is 10 upon 21. So this satisfies our question. Therefore option A is the answer. Okay, you can verify with another number which will fail. If one number is 3, another number should be 5. Sum of the reciprocal 1 by 1 plus 1 by 5. LCM is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 5 is wrong. Similarly, this option is also wrong. This will also be wrong. So in that way you can eliminate the options and easily mark the answer. Okay, that too fast. Quickly you can go through the answers. Okay, you will get the answer. But if you go in this method, this becomes very lengthy for you. A family consists of the father, mother, 2 sons and the youngest daughter. Father, mother, 2 sons, that is S1 and S2 we will take, and the youngest daughter. The age of father is 4 times the age of the second son. Age of father, that is F, is equals to 4 times the age of second son. Second son is S2. 4 times the S2. Age of the first son is in the ratio of 3:1 with that of a sister. That is S1 is to daughter. Age of the first son, that is S1, to that of a sister, that is D. Okay, daughter. The ratio is what? Ratio is 3:1. The mother is 3.5 times older than the second son. Mother is 3.5 times older than second son, that is into S2. The age of the second son is 2 by 3 times of the first son. That is S1 and S2 ratio is given. Age of the second son is 2 by 3 times. That is, if S1 is 3 unit, S2 will be 2 unit. S2 will be 2 units. Okay. Now, the age of the youngest daughter is 5 years. Find the sum of all ages. Age of the youngest daughter is 5 years. So where is D here in our link? So here is the D, right? So age of daughter is given 5 years. So here it is 1 unit. If 1 unit is 5, then 3 unit will be 15. So you got daughter's age 5 years, 3 unit is 15. That means first son's age will be 15 years. So if 3 unit is 15, that is S1 is equals to 15. Here also, if 3 unit is 15, therefore 2 unit will be 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. So age of the second son is 10 years. And father is 4 times the second son. Father is 4 times of 10 means how much? 40. Mother is 3.5 times of the second son, that is 3.5 into 10, 35. So what is the sum of all the ages? 15 plus 5, 20, plus 10, 30, plus 40, 70, plus 35, 105. Option B is the answer. A sum of money at simple interest amounts to rupees 815 in 3 years and to rupees 854 in 4 years. The sum is, the third year amount is 815 and the fourth year amount is 854. Got it? And remember, simple interest, it is a simple interest. That means interest will be same every year. Interest will be same every year. Suppose if the interest is 100 rupees in the first year, second year also same interest, third year also same, fourth year also same, fifth year also same interest. Why? Because interest is always calculated on the principal year. So therefore, every year the interest will be same. Remember this point. Now, third year amount is given 815, fourth year amount is 854. Amount is increased means what? Interest is added. Amount is increased in 1 year means interest is added in 1 year. How much interest is added here? The interest added here will be how much? 25, 35, 45. 54, that is 39 rupees interest is added. So that is from third year to fourth year. That means same interest will be added throughout the years, right? That is first year, let's say this is the principal, this is the first year, second year, third year, and it is fourth year. So on the fourth year, if 39 rupees interest is added, same interest is added throughout the years, correct? Right? So then find the sum. Find the sum means what? Find the principal. So for 3 years also the same interest is added. So for 3 years interest will become how much? 39 into 3. 39 into 3. So 39 into 3 is how much? 117. Correct? 117. 117 rupees interest is added in 3 years. Therefore principal will be, third year total amount is given 815. Amount minus simple interest, you will get the principal. So 815 minus 117. So 5 minus 15 minus 7 is 8. 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 1 is 6. 698 rupees is the principal. Okay, 698 rupees is the principal. For 698, 39 rupees is added for the first year. Again 39 is added for the second year. 39 is added for the third year. So therefore on third year the amount will become 815. Got it? Which of the following statement is true? 8 power 7 minus 8 is divisible by 7. See, 8 power 7 minus 8 is divisible by 7. So how can we do? Let us see it like this. 8 power 7, we will see it as 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 power 7 minus 8 divided by 7. You know that 7 to the power 7 and divided by 7, what will be the remainder? This number is divisible by 7, right? 7 power, whichever the number it will be, if you divide it by 7, the number will be divisible by 7. Got it? And 1 power 7 will be always, okay, 1 power 7 will always be 1 only. Got it? So you leave this first part, you leave this part is divisible by 7. Okay, 7 to the power any number, that is 7 to the power 7 is divisible by 7. 1 power 7 is 1. Okay, 1 power 7 is 1. The remainder will be 1 only. Remainder is also 1. 1 divided by 7, remainder is 1. And minus 8. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So minus 7, if you divide it by 7, yes, it is divisible by 7. Okay, it is divisible by 7. Or you can think it like this. Which of the following statement is true? 8 power 7 minus 8 is divisible by 7. 8 power 7 minus 8 divisible by 7. Okay, so what we will do here is 8 power 7, right? We will write this number as, we can write this number as 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 power 7 minus 8 divided by 7. Now just look at the remainder. Divisible by 7 means what? Remainder should be 0, correct? If any number, okay, if it is divisible means the remainder is 0. So here just observe, 7 to the power 7, this number will be divisible by 7. Here you will get remainder as 0. Got it? 1 power 7, 1 power 7, you will get it as 1. And 1 divided by 7, remainder will be 1. Remainder will be 1. Correct? Remainder will be 1. And 8 by 7, 8 upon 7, remainder will be 1. So 1 minus 1, again 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So therefore you will get the remainder here 0. If the remainder is 0 means what? Remainder is 0 means the number is divisible by 7. Now 9 power 10 minus 9 divisible by 10. 9 power 10 minus 9 divisible by 10. So again, if you think this number 9 as what? 10 minus 1 to the power 10 minus 9 divided by 10. Okay, so 10 power 10 divided by 10, you will get the remainder as 0. Got it? 1 power 10 divided by 10, you will get the remainder 1. 9 by 10, you will get the remainder 9. 9 by 10, you will get the remainder 9. Okay, so 1 minus 9, it is minus 8. So if it is coming in negative, that means this number is not divisible. Okay, if it is coming in the negative means this number is not divisible. So 9 power 10 minus 9 is not divisible by 10. 9 power 10 minus 9, this is not divisible. You should get remainder 0. Only then it will be divisible. Now 10 power 11 minus 10 is divisible by 10. 10 power 11 means 10 power 11 minus 10 is divisible by 10. Obviously, see, 10 power any number if you do, okay, that number is divisible by 10. Now 10 is also divisible by 10, so this is directly, you can say here you will get the remainder 0 itself. Okay, because this number is also divisible by 10, this number is also divisible by 10, remainder will be 0. So this is also divisible, both are divisible. That means here two statements are true, this is false actually, this one is wrong. Actually this is a grace marks, there is some error. See, instead of this, suppose if instead of 10 if it was 8, instead of 10 if it was 8, then check whether this number is divisible by 8. Do check whether this number is divisible by 8. See, 9 power 10 minus 9 is divisible by 8, we have to check. So 9 you can write it how? 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 to the power 10 minus 9 divided by 8. Okay, so you know that 8 power 10 is divisible by 8, you will get the remainder 0. 1 power 10 is 1, 1 divided by 8, remainder is 1 itself. 1 power 10 divided by 8, 1 by 8, you will get remainder as 1. 9 by 8, 9 by 8 means remainder is how much? 8 ones are 8, 1 is the remainder. So 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means this number is divisible. 9 power 10 minus 9 is divisible by 8, but 9 power 10 minus 9 is not divisible by 10. Okay, suppose if the question was like this, 9 power 10 minus 9 is divisible by 8, and option D, if it was all of the above, then option D would be correct. Okay, option D would be correct, but this was a grace. How much time will it take for an amount of rupees 450 to yield rupees 81 as interest at 4.5% per annum of simple interest? You know, SI is equals to principal into time into rate of interest divided by 100. How much time will it take? So they asked you what is the time taken for an amount 450, principal is 450, to yield an interest 81 rupees. You have to find the time, rate of interest 4.5% divided by 100 is equals to simple interest is 81. Okay, so 0 0 will get cancelled, then 9 5s are 45, 9 9s are 81, 9 1s are 9.5 times 0.5 times. Okay, then 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. So T is equals to 2 will multiply here divided by 0.5. 2 divided by 0.5 is how much? 4. That is 2 by 1 by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Time taken here is 4 years. Mr. X invested an amount of rupees 13,900 divided into two different schemes A and B at the simple interest rate of 14% per annum and 11% per annum respectively. If the total amount of simple interest earned in 2 years be rupees 3508, then what was the amount invested in scheme B? See, Mr. X had an amount 13,900. He invested in two schemes, that is A and B. Suppose let us say in scheme A he invested X rupees, then in scheme B the amount he invested will be how much? 13,900 minus X. Rate of interest 14% here, in scheme B 11%. They invested for 2 years and the total interest earned here is 3508. That is SI1, that is simple interest earned here, SIA I'll say, then SIB together will be equals to 3508. You know simple interest formula, that is PTR by 100. Here the principal is X, correct? Time period is 2 years. Rate of interest 14% divided by 100, plus here amount is 13,900 minus X. Time period is 2 years. Rate of interest is 11% divided by 100. That is equals to 3508. Okay, 14 2s are 28x, 28x upon 100 plus 11 2s are 22, 22 into 13,900, 22 into 13,900. So 13,900 into 22 minus 22x, whole divided by 100 is equals to 3508. So 100 is the LCM. 100 will multiply to the right hand side. 100 will multiply to the right hand side. It will become 350800. Now 28x minus 22x is 6x plus 13,900 into 22 is equals to 350800. Got it? So I can take 2 as common. If I take 2 as common from left hand side and right hand side, I'll get 3x plus 13,900 into 11. I'll take 2 from 22, so it will become 11 is equals to, if I divide this by 22, how much I will get? 175400. 175400. Okay, now 13,900 into 11. See, 13,900 into 11. Multiplying by 11 is easy, right? Last number 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 9 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, and 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, and 1. 152900. So therefore 3x will become how much? 175400 minus 152900. Okay, because this will go to the right hand side. 0 0, 14 minus 9 is 5, then 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So 3x is equals to 22,500. X is equals to how much? X is equals to 3 7s are 21, 7,500. X is equals to 7,500. So in the scheme A, he invested 7,500. In scheme B 13,900 minus 7,500, which is 9 minus 5 is 4, 13 minus 7 is 6. 6,400 rupees he invested in scheme B. Find the remainder when 2 to the power 93 is divided by 7. 2 to the power 93. So you know that 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 7 is 128. Correct? See, after every 4 cycle, after every 4 powers, the cycle is repeating. The last digits you see 2, 4, 8, 16, 2, 4, 8. Again 2 power 8 will be 256. So this is repeating. Okay, now leave that. What is question? 2 power 93 is divided by 7. 2 power 93 divided by 7. What is the remainder they asked? So what you can do? 2 cube. 2 cube is how much? 8. 8, right? So this 93 is divisible by 3 also. Correct? So what we can do here is, first what you have to think, you should go close to the multiples of 7. Okay, so you have to choose a number that is very close to the multiple of 7. So that is, I'm here choosing it as 8 because no other number is exactly divisible by 7. Therefore I'm choosing a closest one, that is 8. So I'll take it as 2 cube. Okay, 2 cube is 8, right? So 2 cube to the power 31. If you divide it by 3, you will get 31. 31 into 3 is 93 divided by 7, which is 8 to the power 31 divided by 7. Understood? And in the previous question we have solved. How to solve this? 8 to the power 31, I can write it as 7 plus 1 to the power 31 divided by 7. See, 7 to the power 31 divided by 7, remainder will be 0. Correct? 1 power 31, remainder is, 1 power 31, it will be 1. 1 divided by 7 means remainder will be 1 itself. 1 divided by 7 if you do, remainder is 1. So what is the final remainder? Final remainder is 1. That is option A. The table given below gives the number of days worked by employees of 5 grades A, B, C, D and E in different departments. Okay, these are the grades A, B, C, D, E, and these are the departments: IT, software, HR, accounts. Number of days worked in HR department was highest for grade which? HR department. See, A, C, E, D. A worked for 315, C worked for 317, E worked for 365, D worked for 296. Who is highest? 365 is the highest. That is option C, that is E. Okay. The grade which worked least in all department is, go through the options. Grade E in IT 260, grade B in HR 305, grade B in software 295, grade D in IT 290. Which is the least? The least one is 260, that is grade E in IT. What is the average of working days in IT department? Average of working days, that is average of this 310 plus 320 plus 300 plus 290 plus 260 divided by 5. Say 300 plus 300 600 plus 300 900, 900 plus 200 1100, 1100 plus 200 1300. Then 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 90, 120. 120 plus 60, 180. So this is 1480 is the total sum divided by 5. You will get the average. So 1480 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45, 5 6 are 30. So the answer will be 296. Okay, practice how to divide the numbers very quick, fast. Okay. If the average working hours in a day are 8, then the amount of work put in by grade C is amount of work put in by grade C. If the average working hours in a day are 8, so amount of work. So here in IT there are 300 people will be working. They'll work for 8 hours. 322 people work in software for 8 hours. 317 people they work 8 hours each, and 300 people in account works 8 hours each. That is in the grade C. So total number of people is how much? First find total number of persons, then multiply by 8. You will get it very fast. 300 plus 300 600 plus 300 900 plus 300 1200. Then 22 plus 17, that is 39. So 1239. 1239. So 1239 are the total number of people. They'll work for 8 hours. Then what is the average working hours in a day? Average working hours in a day. Got it? So this will be total working hours. This will be total working hours. If you want to find average working hours, average means what? There are 4 departments, right? There are 4 departments divided by 4. So divided by 4. So what you will get? 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. And if the average working hours in a day are 8, then the amount of work put in by grade C is, average working hours is 8, amount of work put in by grade C. So this is grade C. Number of people in IT are 300, software 322, HR 317, accounts 300. If all of them work for 8 hours in a day, then what is the total amount of work they have done? So total number of people will become how much? 300 plus 300 600 plus 300 900 plus 300 1200. Then 22 here, 17 here. 22 plus 17, 39. So 1239 people are working for 8 hours. Then what is the total amount of work done? 8 9s are 72, 7 in the carry. 8 3s are 24 plus 7 31. 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19. 8 1s are 8 9. 9912 is the answer. If the working hours in a day are 8, then the average work done by grade A in 4 departments together. Average work done they have asked, not the total work done. Average work done by grade A in 4 departments if they are working for 8 hours a day. Total number of people working, total number of men working in grade A is how much? 300 plus 300, 600, 900, 1200 here. 10 plus 30, 40, 40 plus 15, 55, 55 plus 12, 67. So 1200 plus 67, 1267. They all are working for 8 hours. This will be the total work done. But they asked average work done in 4 departments. That means average you have to find 4 departments. That means divide by 4. So 1267 into 8 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 1267 into 2. So 67, if you do double, you will get 134, and 12 double is 24 plus 1 25. So 2534 will be the answer. 2534 is the answer. Study the following pie charts carefully and answer the question given below. Year-wise breakup of the number of candidates appeared for an entrance exam and year-wise breakup of the number of candidates who cleared the entrance exam. So this is the graph pie chart for the candidates who appeared, and this is the pie chart for the candidates who cleared. Okay, so total number of candidates appeared are 2,56,000. Total number of candidates who cleared are 32,000. Let us go to the question. What was the ratio of number of students appeared for the entrance exam in 2012 and the number of students who cleared the exam in 2007? Number of students appeared in 2012. So in 2012, 18% students appeared. 18% of what? 18% of 18% means 18 by 100 of 2,56,000 students. 18% of 2,56,000 students appeared. So you have to find this ratio with what? Number of students who cleared the exam in 2007. In 2007, 10% students cleared. 10% means 10 by 100 of how much? Total number of students who cleared, that is 32,000 of the total cleared students. So this ratio you have to say 100 and 100 will get cancelled. 3 zeros will get cancelled, right? Then 32 8 times is how much? 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24 plus 125. So 32 8 times is 256. Then 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. 18 4 is 72 ratio 5. 72 ratio 5 is the answer, that is option C here. The total number of students appeared in entrance exam from 2008 and 2011 was what percentage of total number of students appeared for the entrance exam in 2009? Total number of students appeared entrance exam in 8 and 11. How much it is? 15% and 10%. 25% students appeared for the entrance exam in from 2008 and 2011. Okay. So these are what percentage of number of students who appeared for the entrance exam in 2009. In 2009, how many students appeared? 20% students appeared. So this is what percentage? 25% divided by 20% into 100. Percentage get cancelled. 5 by 4. So how much you will get? You will get 125 percentage. 125 percentage. So you don't require the values here. Why? Because see, 25% of what you will do? 25% of this value only, right? 20% of the same value. Those two values will cancel automatically, right? So you will be left with what? 25 by 20. 25 by 20 means 5 by 4. 5 by 4 into 100 means you will get the percentage, that is 125 percentage. Okay. Next one. Approximately what was the difference between the number of students who cleared the entrance exam in 2009 and the number of students who cleared the entrance exam in 2007? 2009 number of students who cleared is 16%. 2007 students who cleared are 10%. What is the difference? 16% minus 10%, because both are calculated on the same value, right? So directly you can take the difference here. 16 minus 10, it is 6%. 6% of what? 6% of 32,000. So 2 zeros will get cancelled. 6 2s are 12, 6 3 is 18, 1920 is the answer. 1920. Answer is option B. For which year was the difference in the number of students selected to the number of students appeared in entrance exam the maximum? Okay, in which year the difference in the number of students who selected to the number of students who appeared in the entrance exam was maximum? Now go with the options. 2007. 2007 number of students who selected is how much? 12% of 2,56,000. Difference you have to find. Difference with number of students who selected to the number of students who appeared the entrance exam. These are the students who appeared the entrance exam. Okay, 12% of 2,56,000. Selected students in 2007 is how much? 10%. 10% of 32,000. So 10% of 32,000. How much you will get? Find the values. 2 zeros will get cancelled. 2560 into 12. Into 12 means 10 plus 2 you can think. 10 means 25600. 2 means 62 is a 120, 25 is a 50 and 51. So how much you will get? 30720 minus, so this is how much? 10% means 3200. So 30720 minus 3200. So that is equals to how much? 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. 27520. In 2007 the difference will be 27520. Okay. Similarly, you have to find for 2008. In 2008, number of students who appeared is how much? 2008 number of students appeared are 15%. Okay, 15%. That is 15 by 100 of 2,56,000. 15%. Then 2008 students who selected it are 14% of 32,000. 14% of 32,000. So 15% means 10% value, you know. 10% means one decimal will shift to the left. So it will become 2 lakh. It will become 25,600. 5% means half of this value. Half of this value is 12800. So this will become 15%. So that is equals to how much? 38,400. Okay. Minus 14% of 32,000. 0 will get cancelled. 320 into 14. Okay. Or you can say 14 into 300 plus 20. 14 3 is a 42. 4200 plus 14 2 is a 28. 280. So which is 4480. So 38,400 minus 4480, which will be 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 8 is 2, then 13 minus 4 is 9, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 3. 33920. 33920. Similarly, 2009, how much you will get? 20% of 25600. That is double of 10%. Double of 10%. 10% value is how much? 25600. That is 25,600. 20% means, again add 25,600 to it. 10% plus 10%. So this will become 51,200. So in 2009, number of students who selected 16%. 16%. 16 into 320. I'll write directly. Okay. So this I can write it as 16 into 20. 320. I'll write it as 16 into 20 because 16 2 is a 32 into 10 is 320. 16 square, you know, 16 square is 256 into 20. So 256 into 20 will become how much? 5120. So subtract 5120 from this. How much you will get? 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 1 minus 1 0. 11 minus 5 is 6. 46080. So you will get 46080. That is in 2009. Finally in 2010, 25%, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 2,56,000. 1 by 4 if you do, then 4 6 are 24, 4 4 are 16. 64,000 minus 2010, right? 20% of 32,000. 20% means how much? 10% is 3,200. 20% is 6,400. So 64,000 minus 6,400. 0 minus 0, 0. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. You'll get 59600. 59600. So which difference is highest, they asked? Maximum. That is option D, 2010. 2010 is the answer. Okay, you should practice well with the calculations. So you should improve your speed here. Okay. So final question. Approximately what was the total number of students cleared the entrance exam in 2010 and 9 together? Approximately what was the total number of students cleared the entrance exam in 2010 and 9 together? So 2010 20% and 2009 16%. 20 plus 10 36%. So 36% of 32,000 you have to find. 36% of 32,000. So 36 into 320, or I'll write it as 32 plus 4 into 32 into 10, 320. Okay. 32 into 32, 32 square, which is 1024, plus 32 into 4. 32 into 4 will be how much? 32 into 4 is 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. So that is 1152 into 10. 1152 into 10 will be 11520. 11520. So the product you will get 11520, but 11520, it is not close to any of these numbers. So the answer here will be option D, none of the above. Just multiply 36 into 320. How much you will get? You see, you will get 11520, but this number is not close to any of this. Okay, any one of this. Approximately what was the total number of students cleared the entrance exam in 2010 and 9 together? So okay, so the answer here will be none of the above. Got it? So thank you so much for watching this video. See you all in the next session. Till then, stay focused and keep learning. Take care. Jai Hind.